hi, Lawson.
Huh?
Say hi.
Hi.
So Lawson, what are you doing on your X3 here?
I'm hoping to put some mud flaps on it that'll actually work.
Except
so that
these
I can
are not
see.
mud flaps.
Well, mud guards.
There you go.
Fender flares. So hopefully I can be able to see a little better next time I go.
Yeah, so this is Lawson's post-trail ride remediation. Part 1.
Part 1. Part 1. New windshield is next.
Which has not been ordered just yet.
No. Everything's a compromise.
I have ordered my wiper. It's supposed to come from China. Has shipped. So one of the things for you guys on the video here, one of the things that's a huge concern, I guess you'd call it, with the X3 is that from the factory it doesn't have any mud guards at all. No fender flares, nothing. The General is not too bad from the factory. I am going to be getting fender flares on mine. I'm waiting on the GrizzTex to come out. I mentioned that in a couple of videos. I'm very much looking forward to those. But this should make, the front ones don't look crazy dramatic, but be interesting to see how well they do. The back ones look great. Actually, you know, from an ease of install, all we did is we did a couple of pilots just to help the screws go in, and then all Lawson's doing here is just really, these are T30s, popping the screws in. I mean, this could not be easier.
There are 3-volt nuts on the back.
Oh, so you did find the where they mount?
Yeah, they go. There's a little tab under there.
Okay, got it. Are those pre-drilled?
Yeah.
Okay. So his kit did not come with any instructions. Not sure if it's supposed to, but it didn't. This is the kit. It's, you know, it is hard plastic, but this should be perfect for keeping the mud off. In particular, this thing, of course, for those of you that have an X3 or even those that don't, the X3 does have a lot of power. It's got a turbo, so it's got a lot of power, and particularly in the back wheels. It uses a Visca-Lock 4-wheel drive system in the front, and so the front does not always stay engaged. It's not like on the General, it's an electronic locking diff. That's not the case on this model here. So you're going to be kicking up probably a lot more mud on the back, and as Lawson mentioned, and you saw from another video, this machine was covered in mud, not intentionally. There was all unintentional mud, if you want to call it that. But that's what we're doing out here in the garage, and we're just about halfway done. So stand by for more.